Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. These are the dried results from my last video. Um, it dried nicely. The only thing is I wish there were more gold towards the top rather than the bottom. And I do like that the deep buff, the titanium deep base. I love that base with these colors. So just wanted to show you how that one turned out before we got into today's painting. For this piece, I will be using a 12 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas. So I'll get that on the spinner. And I'm going to have a little fun today. I have some leftover paints. These are not bloom paints, but I am using house paint for a pillow because I will be spinning and stretching this out. What I am doing today is just layering colors, spreading them out, and then I'm going to swipe straight down the center of all of these colors and then blow out the sides with the hair dryer. I thought that would be pretty interesting. So as far as my colors, I did this a little while ago. The first one that I went down with was the Blue Flash by Folk Art. Then I have a light magenta, and that black is mixed with red as well as gold. Next up is actually gold. It's a 24 karat gold. I know I mixed it with another gold. I can't remember it this time. And this is another magenta. I believe that's by Golden. And we have here ultramarine blue, and that's Amsterdam. So I'm just swirling the paints in no particular order. I just wanted to get some color down on the canvas. And this blue, I know it looks like sky blue light, but it's not. And you'll be able to tell that later on because most of it's going to disappear. This is an iridescent by Nick Pro. So I'm just spreading the paint out a little bit. Trying to make sure that it's level before I swipe. And also, the less paint on the canvas, the less it's gonna stretch out and spread out. And so I didn't want it to stretch out too much. So I'm getting a little bit of the paint off. So I'm just looking at the canvas and checking out the colors, and I'm deciding to add a little bit more gold to the other side. Just my attempt at creating a little balance. And over here off to the left, you can see I am making my cell activator, what I'm going to swipe with, and I'm going in with a red, a purple, and I believe I don't know what else I put in there, but the cell activator is going to be a dark purplish color. In hindsight, I wish I had used white, but this is what it is. I'm going to be using white. I have a white cell activator already mixed up, and that's what I'll be using for the sides when I get ready to blow out. So here I go with the first swipe down the center. And in hindsight, I should have left a little bit more paint on the canvas, but we're going to go with it. So next, I am going down with the white cell activator along the sides of the swipe because that's where I'm going to start the blowout with the hair dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and blow this out and see what we get. I'm going to speed it up. This is real time. As you can see, the paint is moving kind of sluggish because it's thick and I don't have too much to work with, but it's going to work. So if you guys are enjoying the art, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, do all of the things. And I appreciate you watching. And I hope you have a very beautiful day. I'm going to put on a little bit of music for you guys, and I might hop back on for the final results. We have the dried results today, so you'll get to see everything. So enjoy the music, and I'm going to speed this up to about 2. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Hey guys, look at these wet results. It came out amazing. I'm loving the 2 shades of magenta in this, and that center swipe kind of is the focal point of the piece. We also have some interesting cells on either side. It looks kind of mystic and magical to me. Let me know in the comments what you think of this composition with the swipe in the center being a focal point and whatnot. Well, this is the end of this video, and I will be back next week on Tuesday. We'll be back on track posting long form Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I hope to see you then. And thanks so much for watching if you made it to the end.